T-Max here, and we're back with another video. It's like a hacking tutorial for Subway Surfers using this app here, slash and Game Buster, something like that. Slash Game Buster. You could get it at Play Store. We're gonna be hacking Subway Surfers high score.
Yeah, so
Nine's with me.
yeah, here I am. So you will need to root your tablet or phone.
Yeah, first you need to root.
The app is named
King Root.
So when you have that app, yeah, first you'll see like something in the display, and then you have to go up,
Yeah.
slide up until you go to the home of that King Root.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Alright, so first you gotta start running, and then you see the score up there. Example is 325, right? Pause it. 360. Now you search it. 360. Search. Searching. Alright, so it says 460 phone. So resume the game. Go a little farther. And pause it. Let's see. 610. I'll search for 610. Oh, sorry for the background noise.
It's GTA.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm playing.
Alright, so there's 4 options. Let's try all of them. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, la, la, la. And this one. 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so once you've done that, go back, resume, watch up there. Watch up here, guys. Here, up here. Up here, it's like 99999. You've done it. You've done it, niggas. Alright, guys, thanks for watching.
And
Don't forget to
like, subscribe, and subscribe.
subscribe. Alright, guys, bye.
Alright, bye.